In today's wrap-up, on March the 2nd, the Office of the President of the Republic reported that the President had decided not to sign the draft decree on the dismissal of the Chief of the General Staff, Onik Gasparyan. For his objection to prevent the dismissal, the President had to apply to the Constitutional Court. Sargsyan did apply to the court, but on a separate matter. Thus, the dismissal of Gasparyan will go ahead. The General Staff did report, however, that Gasparyan will stay in his role for the next 8 days, as the High Court reviews the application put forward by the President. Sargsyan also met with Gasparyan today. He also held meetings today with leading members of the Homeland Salvation Movement, including former Prime Minister Vazgen Manukyan, former NSS Chief and Homeland Party leader Artur Vanetsyan, representative of the Republican Party, Vahram Baghdasaryan, and Artsvik Minasyan, a member of the Dashnaktsyun Supreme Body. In an interview with Russia's RIA Novosti, the High Commissioner for Diaspora Affairs, Zare Sinanyan, stated that more than 100 Armenian citizens are still being detained in Azerbaijan. According to Sinanyan, the delay in resolving the issue of POWs has also delayed the initiation of talks between Armenia and Azerbaijan. Sinanyan went on to say that he does not have specific numbers, but Armenian authorities do have a list of identities. The lawyer representing the families of the captives, Siranush Sahakyan, has stated previously that there may be more than 200 Armenian captives currently in Azerbaijan. Earlier, Azerbaijani President Ilham Aliyev stated that all the captives have been returned. Only terrorists and saboteurs are being held. The Department for Combating Smuggling of the State Revenue Committee of Armenia has unveiled the largest case of drug trafficking in Armenia in the last 7 years. 33 boxes with 18,000 kilograms of cargo, initially thought to be yeast, turned out to have 365 kilograms of heroin hidden inside. Law enforcement bodies are estimating that the drugs found are valued at around $45 million. According to the committee, the heroin was intended to be transported from Iran to Western Europe via Armenia under the guise of yeast. A criminal case has been initiated by the State Revenue Committee's Investigation Department. 6 people with different nationalities have been arrested. Member of the Glendale Board of Education, Greg Krikorian, and a group of other US Armenians have started a new project called High Hopes. The project is aiming to provide resources and other needs for several schools in the region of Syunik. ՍիվիլՆեթ spoke to Greg to see what the project is exactly, how's progress, and how people can get involved. And finally, ՍիվիլՆեթ's team went to the village of Mkhitarashen in the region of Askeran in Nagorno-Karabakh. The village is located right by the Hunot Gorge, a place of natural beauty now under Azerbaijani control. The village has remained under Armenian control, but is now right by the border. Even when livestock crosses into Azerbaijani territories, villagers are reporting that the Azeri soldiers slaughter and eat the cattle. ՍիվիլՆեթ spoke to the residents to see how they feel about this new reality and how they feel about being under the scopes of Azerbaijani soldiers.